is happening again in Christ Power International Christian Center. 2 days of wonders. Theme: exposing the strong man.
Who are you?
My name is Anatogo.
You that's talking this about is your own name.
I'm not, guys.
Get in inside of him. I don't know. You don't know your name. Yeah. Why are you inside of her?
Listen! I'm Mr. Mother-in-law.
Why are you inside of me?
I'm Fidelis.
You are what?
The queen of all queens.
Who are you?
I am.
Date: Saturday 28 and Sunday 29 January 2017. Time: 9 a.m. daily. Venue: Christ Power City, Alimoko Street by Celeb Bus Stop off Badagry Expressway, Isashi, Lagos, Nigeria. Your host, Apostle Goslov Okon Inaki, the browser.
And I'm following the spirit that I'm seeing that used to appear. And when this spirit appear, everything I pack is.
Yes, sir. Yes, that's true.
When I follow this spirit, I'm running in your father's house. I don't know, I entered this compound. Can I describe the compound I'm entering? This is an old building. This is in the village. This is in the village. This is an old building. When I enter this compound, there is one house here. There is one house here. Then this one was built with one house. The lady of mother witch. When she was not a witch, that was the first time the battle began. Because you are the only one that was standing for your mother. Anyone that set you up will fall down.
For inquiry, call the numbers on your screen. Christ Power International Christian Center, preaching Christ, demonstrating his power.